So networking is who you know, and marketing or influence is who knows you. All right.
Hi, this is Eric here, and you're listening to #Highly Sought After. How do you know when you are a person of influence? Is there like certain metrics that we can look at to know, that person is influential?
Yeah. So this is where I was having a conversation with somebody like, what is marketing? Or then like, what is networking? Because they say like your network is your net worth, something like that. So networking is who you know, and marketing or influence is who knows you. All right. Yeah. So you get work when people know, like, and trust you. So they have to know you before they can like you, and they have to like you before they can trust you. So the hardest part, the part that's holding everybody back, is the part where they get to know you. Okay, so how do they get to know you? Well, you can do what many people do, which is, I'm a designer, I'm a painter, and that's what they do. And after a while, when enough people do that, people become really numb to that. Okay, so you're just another designer. Oh, okay, you're just another painter. What makes you different than John or Mary or Bob? You're all the same as far as I can tell. Okay, so what do you have to do? So for me, the way I am able to stand out is you just do something a little bit different than everyone else, and that's enough to separate you. See, our mind and the way that we survive and we've evolved is we are able to spot differences. If you see 1,000 white cars, but there's a red car, that's where your eye will go. And if there's 1,000 red cars, there's one white car, that's where you'll go. So for me, it was about using my design background, teaching entrepreneurship, putting them all together, and I started to teach people design concepts that intersect with business and marketing concepts. And then you start to build your authority on a subject. And then ultimately, if you don't quit, if you really, really work on it, maybe you become a person of influence. I'm still not entirely comfortable with the term influencer, but basically, I like to share what I think. And if enough people like what it is that I share, then you become influential.